Good morning, student. Today's chapter is first chapter of geography, which is representation of geographical feature. In this chapter, we will discuss about topographical map. As you know, maps are of different types, like political map, physical map, and thematic map. So, topographical map are of those maps which are based on large scale, and these maps shows all the physical and man-made features at the same time. Like in physical map, you can only see the physical features of the earth. In political map, you can only see the boundaries of the state and cities. But in topographical map, all the features are shown at the same time. So in this map, besides showing physical and natural features, it also shows the elevation of the landform. What does the elevation means? We can guess that through this map that this landform is mountain, or this is plateau, or this is hill. We can identify through this map that which landform is present at particular area of the earth. So topographical map are presented by the Survey of India in India, and the Survey of India was established in 1767, and it completed the entire land survey in phases, and then topo sheet has been prepared. And in the whole world, every country has its own topo sheet, and this topo sheet is very useful as it gives all the detail of any particular area. So it is very useful for engineer, for defense, for government, and all. So here in topographical map, physical features and cultural features or man-made features are presented. And in physical features, we can see that it represents relief, drainage, and its type. I mean, rivers from where river are starting, and from where river are merging into sea, and natural vegetation and its type. And in cultural feature, we can see population settlement. Means how people are living in any particular area. They are living in group form, or they are living in scattered form. Means of transportation, means in any particular area, what's the mean of transportation there is roadways or railways, waterways, airways, all can be seen in topo sheet. Communication means in this map, telephone line, electric line, oil pipeline are also shown, and irrigation, well tube, well tank, and all these things are shown on topo sheet. And we can also identify through topo sheet that which type of occupation is present in any particular area, like people are doing agriculture or agriculture activities, or people are doing industries activities. So all the information is given by topo sheet. Topo sheet, topo map are based on large scale, and it's prepared by the Department of Survey of India, and these map are based on scale of 1 inch, half inch, and quarter inch respectively to a mile. Means in this map, 1 inch, half inch, and quarter inch represented a mile of the earth. Means 1 inch is representing a 1 inch of map can be represent a mile, 2 mile of the earth. And here the map scale of topo sheet is 1 by 252 lakh 50,000, or 1 by 50,000, and 1 by 25,000. In this map, contour lines are also used for showing the relief of an area. What are contour lines? Contour lines means shows the elevation of any area from the sea level. Means through contour lines we can examine that any landform is how much above from the sea level. So we can identify it through the topographical map. Contour lines can show that the landform are hills and valleys, or they are plateaus, or they are plains areas, etc. So here example of topo sheet has been given in Indian topo. It is Indian topo sheet, and these short sheets are based on the difference of longitude and latitude. What are the latitude and longitude? You know that these are imaginary line which help us in reading the detail of any particular area. So here these longitude has been given, and here latitude has been given from 60 degree east to 100 degree east, and longitude has been given 4 degree north to 40 degree north. As you can see that this topo sheet has been divided into various number like 43, 52, 44, 53, etc. So if we want to examine any particular sheet, we can take any sheet from here. Like we can choose 43 sheet. Then we can divide into 16 equal part. So here there is a difference between every longitude and latitude is of 4 degree. मीन्स यहाँ पर आपके जितने भी ये लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड दिए गए हैं, इसमें हर लाइन के बीच में 4 डिग्री का डिफरेंस है. एंड एवरी as you know that every longitude has a difference of 1 degree, and this 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So each and every square has a difference of 4 degree of latitude and longitude, and where the longitude and latitude crossed each other, this intersection made a grid, and through this grid topo sheet has been prepared. So for example, I will show you that here I have took the sheet of 45D. So जैसा मैंने बताया आपको कि हर शीट पे 4 डिग्री का डिफरेंस है लॉन्गिट्यूड एंड लैटिट्यूड में. सो हेयर 45 डिग्री शीट जो है आपकी 72 डिग्री से 76 डिग्री तक एक्सटेंड कर रही है, और लैटिट्यूड आपका जो है 24 डिग्री से 28 डिग्री तक एक्सटेंड कर रहा है. सो वी कैन डिवाइड थ्रू दिस डिफरेंस फ्रॉम वी कैन डिवाइड दिस स्क्वायर फ्रॉम द डिफरेंस ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड एंड लैटिट्यूड. वी कैन डिवाइड सब डिवाइडेड इनटू 16 इक्वल पार्ट. So if we divide like here 72, तो यहाँ पर होगा आपका 73, फिर होगा आपका 74, फिर यहाँ पर है 24, तो यहाँ पर होगा 25, 26 एंड 27. और जब हम आप ये लाइन मिला देंगे तो ये आपका 16 पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो अब जो आपकी ये शीट बनेगी ये 1 डिग्री की डिवाइड हो जाएगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपका 4 डिग्री का डिफरेंस था. तो अब जब ये हमने इसको डिवाइड किया तो हर एक स्क्वायर अब 1 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड और लैटिट्यूड को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. Here you can see that this topo sheet has been divided into 16 equal part of 1 degree longitude and latitude, and it has been given alphabetically ordered like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. If we want more detail about any particular area from this topo sheet, like if we have taken A sheet, then it can also be subdivided into 16 equal parts. Like you know that every longitude has a difference of 1 degree, and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So when we divide a single sheet from here, this can be divided into 16 equal parts. And in this 16 equal part, we will divide this 60 minute into 4 equal part. Here is 1 degree, and when we divide 60 minute into 4 equal part, then it will be 15 minute. Every square will be 15 minute. अब हर स्क्वायर यहाँ से 15 मिनट की रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, और आपकी ये टोटल टोपो शीट जो है वो बेस्ड है 1/10 lakh. So when we divide, first we divide it here into 16 equal part A, B, C, D, and the scale of this topo sheet will be 1/22,50,000. And in this topo sheet the scale will be 1/50,000. And in this topo sheet, here we will here it has given the numbering system 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So as I have taken A sheet, then the name of this sheet will be 45A. अगर हम इसमें से कोई और शीट लेते, like if we take B sheet, then the name of that sheet will be 45B. If we take any other sheet like O, then the name of that sheet will be 45O. So in this way we can subdivide it every topo sheet. And here we can also divide this topo sheet in 4 equal parts. Like if we have taken number 1 topo sheet, then it will be like this, and it is here NE, NW, NW, South, SW. And what's it the meaning of NE? Means north, east, northwest, northwest, southwest. As you know, in map direction are shown like this. Here is north, here is south, here east, and here west. So if we divide sheet number 1, then it will be like this: NE, NW, NE, NW, and NW, SW. तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हर लॉन्गिट्यूड और लैटिट्यूड में 60 मिनट का डिफरेंस होता है, और यहाँ पर मैंने 60 मिनट को 4 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड किया था, जो कि 15 मिनट के इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड हुआ था. अब हमने जैसा कि ये शीट ली है जो कि 15 मिनट की है, अब हम 15 मिनट को भी डिवाइड करेंगे 2 इक्वल पार्ट में, तो दैट विल बी 7.5 मिनट. 7.5 minute, 7.5 minute, 7.5 minute. And we have taken number 1 topo sheet, then it will be named like 45A/1. You got it? Here it is represented by 45A/1. If we take any other sheet like 6 sheet, then the name will be that sheet 45A/6. And the scale of this topo sheet will be 1/25,000.